Okay, so about Lucifer's core nature. Lucifer, Libra, gotta go a little vain, and I haven't. I just been at the gym, been drinking some wine. No makeup, no nothing. But still gotta go a little vain and use the fucking camera as a mirror. Ain't that ironic? But anyway, Lucifer's core nature is the sun. So he doesn't linger in the dark. He's a part of the sun. The sun shines, the morning star. Light, he's light. You know. So to everyone who confuses him with Satan or the devil and such, the sun is a yellow dwarf. He's a baby star. So he's supposed to fly into a red giant, if you know astronomy. So he will become the devil when he flies into a red giant, because the red giants are the devils. The one who pushes forth the red ray of esoteric astrology. The red ray is the first ray, is the ray of the devil. And Pluto lords it. But it shines through Leo, Aries, and Capricorn. So yeah, that's a little bit about Lucifer's core nature. Lucifer's core nature is the sun, light. Loads of love. Peace.